Welcome to UniFi Nerds, where we bring the future of connectivity and security to your doorstep. Our mission is to transform your space with the unparalleled power of UniFi solutions, customized just for you. Picture this: a world where your Wi-Fi is so fast and reliable, it feels like you're directly plugged into the source. That's the UniFi Wireless experience we deliver. No more dead spots, no more buffering, just smooth, uninterrupted internet wherever you are. But what about security? Enter UniFi Protect. Imagine high-definition surveillance cameras that not only record but also intelligently detect and alert you to any unusual activity. From the parking lot to the boardroom, every inch of your space is under vigilant watch, accessible right from your smartphone. And the innovation doesn't stop there. UniFi Door Access revolutionizes how you control entry to your premises. Say goodbye to traditional keys and hello to secure, convenient access solutions tailored to meet your needs. It's not just about opening doors, it's about opening possibilities. Here at the UniFi Nerds, we pride ourselves on not just installing these cutting-edge technologies, but integrating them into a seamless ecosystem designed specifically for you. Whether you're a small business or a sprawling enterprise, our expert team brings the same level of dedication and precision to every project. So, why choose the UniFi Nerds? Because with us, you're not just getting an installer, you're getting a partner who understands your needs, shares your passion for technology, and is committed to delivering excellence. Ready to take the leap into a world of seamless connectivity and robust security? Reach out to the UniFi Nerds today. Let's build your ideal UniFi system together and unlock the full potential of your space. Call us now and step into the future with the UniFi Nerds.